It's a new 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is a talented multitasker with impressive fuel economy, thoughtful safety features, and powerful performance. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.